Hi, I'm Greg with Green Acres Nursery and Supply, and today we're going to talk about the basics of soil and fertilizers. Healthy living soil is the key to healthy plants. There are literally millions of fungi, bacteria, and living organisms in your soil that really make your soil nice and healthy. What you choose to amend your soil with will help these insects and bacteria thrive. So choose well. One of the great amendments that we have is the earthworm castings. Earthworm castings are natural. They're great because they help aerate the soil. They can actually fertilize, and they can actually keep your plants healthy by being like a fungicide that wards off actually a lot of pathogens. So earthworm castings is one of the great soil amendments that you can use, and you can use it throughout the year. If you have azaleas, you have camellias, you have shady plants, we have the perfect soil mix that was formulated here in Northern California. This azalea camellia and acid mix has peat moss, feather meal, bag guano, and kelp meal. It's going to make sure that your azaleas and your acid loving plants really thrive in our great soil that we have here. This G&B organic garden soil actually has a product called biochart, which actually sequesters carbon from the air. But what it is it's an organic mix that will help your garden and your flowers, your vegetables thrive. You can't miss with a product like this. So you have a raised bed and you're looking for the perfect potting soil to go in that to grow your vegetables and your flowers. You can't beat something like this. This is a EB Stone raised bed mix. It's formulated just for that raised bed. It's organic, it's registered with the California Department of Food and Agriculture, and it has microbes in it that really enrich and help your root systems of your plants grow. If you need to amend your soil, if your soil is really heavy clay and you really want to break it up, consider using something like the fir mulch. The fir mulch keeps the soil loose. The minerals that bind to keep the soil heavy and clay-like won't bind to this. So this will help keep your soil loose and give you good aeration and drainage. Fertilizing your plants is really important. You want to pick something that really helps complement the soil and makes the soil healthy along with the plant. We have a lot of locally sourced fertilizers like the EB Stone products, like the Sure Start, which is a great starter fertilizer. It is blended with humic acid and beneficial soil microbes that really help get the root system established and help your soil become healthy. Azalea, camellia, and gardenia food helps supply a great acid fertilizer to your soil and makes sure that the acid-loving plants thrive in our climate. When you come into our store, you'll find literally hundreds of different fertilizers for every fertilizer need that you might have. If you're not sure, be sure and ask one of our gurus, and they'll be happy to help you out with your selection. If you have any questions, be sure and put them down below. If you like this video, be sure and like and subscribe if you want to see more.